Hello, welcome to CS 262 Data Communication Lab. Today we are going to study about token ring and token bus protocol. The hardware requirements for this experiment are 2 or 3 PCs with network interface unit cards, patch cords, those are the patch cords, LAN trainer kit having network emulation unit, this is the network emulation unit, and token ring experiment icon and token bus experiment icon. This is the token bus experiment icon. This is the token ring experiment icon. Now what we are going to design is, we are going to design a ring and bus topology with 4 nodes using token passing mechanism, and we are going to compare the throughput. We are setting the lowest priority node with my address as 3 and the token holding time is set as 1000 milliseconds. We are ensuring that the bit delay is 0 seconds is set at the network interface unit. On the LAN trainer kit. So now we are going to make the connections. Make the following connections on the LAN trainer kit. N3T31, N4T41, N5T51, N6T61, D22T32, T31T33, D32T42, D41T43, D42T52, D51T53, D52T62, D61T65, T61T61, and T12D62. Now click on the token bus icon twice from the desktop. Token bus. As we are configuring 2 rows, we are taking 2 icons. Next, click on the configuration button in the window in both the PCs. If you connect 2 PCs, then configure 4 nodes, then set the my addresses from 0 to 3 in all the 4 nodes. Start running the experiment from the lowest priority node from my address 3 in case of 4 nodes. Node ID is set as 0 and 1. The protocol is Aloha. The baud rate is 8 kbps. The duration of the experiment is 100 seconds. The interpacket delay is set as 400 milliseconds. And the my address is set as 0 in this system and 1 in this host. Okay. Same as in the other PC. Node ID 0 and 1. Interpacket delay is 400 milliseconds. My address is 2 and same as in the another case. The ID is set as 1. Interpacket delay is set as 400 milliseconds. And my address is 3 in this case. Okay. Now click on OK button and download the driver to the NIU using the boot command. Downloaded the driver. Next, run the experiment by choosing run start from the each application. While you do this, token holding time window pops up. Enter the token holding time in all the nodes and press the OK button first in the node which has the lowest priority of my address. Token holding time is 1000 milliseconds. Here also it is set as 1000 milliseconds. Same as in the other two hosts also. Thousand milliseconds. 1000 milliseconds. View the statistics window for results. This is the view this statistic window for the results. Note down the readings once the experiment is completed. Repeat the same step for various values of interpacket delay.